So what do you get when you cross a drill, a pallet, and an Izzy wearing a horn hat? A miter saw. Hold the phone. Okay, yes, that is not pallet wood, that's plywood. I'm cheating. I'm taking a mulligan on this one because I have to build, record, and edit this video in an afternoon. It's not as easy as it looks. But all I'm saying is that could be done with some pallet wood and a little extra time. All right, back to the video. Let's try some curly maple. How about some mahogany? Thanks for watching. So this was just for fun. It was just an entertaining build to have a little fun out in the shop. Sometimes I like to just go have a little fun, and I wanted to share it with you. It performed better than I thought it would. It definitely has some stability issues, you know, wants to wane back and forth or rock back and forth. You know, if somebody wanted to make a proper version of this, it would need some safety features, and it would need to be a lot more stable. I do have an idea for a metal version of this for a hacksaw with a slow rotation motor. I'm not 100% sure I'll build it or not. It depends on if I get in the mood one day to do it. Who knows? Maybe. Anyway, we'll talk to you all later.